Top 3 Antioxidants for Arthritis Relief. Reduce pain and inflammation naturally. If you're living with arthritis or dealing with joint pain, then you know how frustrating and exhausting it can be. But what if I told you that there are some simple, natural remedies that could make a real difference in how you feel? Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about reducing that pain and inflammation with the help of 3 powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants aren't just buzzwords. They're packed with benefits that can help soothe your joints and support your body in ways you might not have expected. So, whether you're looking for relief from the discomfort, hoping to prevent further damage, or simply trying to improve your overall joint health, today's video is for you. We'll be talking about the top 3 antioxidants every arthritis patient must take to help reduce pain and inflammation. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's get started. Number 1. Vitamin C, the immunity booster for your joints. Let's start with a superstar antioxidant that I'm sure you've heard of before, vitamin C. Now, we all know vitamin C as the go-to nutrient for boosting your immune system, right? It's the first thing people reach for when they feel a cold coming on. But here's the thing, it's not just for fighting off colds. When it comes to arthritis, vitamin C is an absolute game changer. Now, if you're dealing with arthritis, you're probably no stranger to the pain and inflammation that comes with it. Whether it's swelling, stiffness, or that constant discomfort, it can really take a toll on your quality of life. But vitamin C can actually help with that. And I'm not just talking about a small, minor benefit here. I'm talking about something that can truly make a difference in the way your joints feel. So, why is vitamin C so crucial for arthritis? Well, let me break it down for you. First, vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that's absolutely vital for maintaining the health of your cartilage and connective tissues. If you think of your joints as a kind of bridge between 2 bones, then collagen is what helps keep that bridge sturdy and functional. Without enough collagen, your cartilage can start to wear down, and you're more likely to experience joint degeneration. Not something we want when we're trying to keep our joints healthy, right? But here's the kicker. Vitamin C doesn't just help create collagen. It also helps protect it. When our bodies experience oxidative stress, which is basically just a fancy term for cellular damage caused by free radicals, it can damage the collagen in our joints, leading to inflammation and pain. This is where vitamin C steps in as a real hero. It's a strong antioxidant that helps fight off those free radicals, keeping your collagen safe and your joints functioning at their best. This means less wear and tear on your joints and potentially less pain in the long run. How awesome is that? But that's not all. Vitamin C also plays a huge role in reducing inflammation, which is a major factor in arthritis. The research is pretty clear on this. Vitamin C has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the swelling and pain you feel in your joints. And we all know that inflammation is at the root of so much of the discomfort associated with arthritis. So, by simply getting more vitamin C in your diet, you could see a reduction in that painful swelling. That could mean less stiffness and more mobility. Who wouldn't want that, right? And don't think that vitamin C only works its magic when you take it in supplement form. You can get all of these amazing benefits just by incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet. Seriously, nature's got your back with this one. Let's talk about where you can find these delicious and nutritious foods. You probably already know that citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C. Think oranges, grapefruits, lemons. But you don't have to stop there. There are so many other options that are just as rich in vitamin C and can easily be added to your meals. Strawberries, for example, are not only packed with vitamin C, but are also bursting with flavor. And did you know that bell peppers actually contain even more vitamin C than oranges? That's right. These crunchy veggies are a total powerhouse for your joints. Plus, they're super versatile, so you can toss them into salads, stir-fries, or even just munch on them as a snack. And let's not forget about kiwi. This little fruit is a vitamin C gem that can do wonders for your joint health. But what if you don't always have time to prepare fresh fruits and veggies? Don't worry. Broccoli is another great source of vitamin C, and it's so easy to throw into a stir-fry or steam as a side dish. You can still get those anti-inflammatory benefits without any extra effort. Here's the thing. Arthritis doesn't have a simple, one-size-fits-all solution, but making sure you're getting enough vitamin C can definitely be a key player in your overall strategy to manage pain and inflammation. It's not going to be a magic fix overnight, but consistency is key. If you make it a habit to get your daily dose of vitamin C, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to stay strong, resilient, and full of energy. So, how can you make this work for you? Well, start by simply adding a vitamin C-rich food to your daily routine. Maybe you can enjoy a refreshing glass of fresh orange juice in the morning, add some sliced strawberries to your breakfast cereal, or snack on some crunchy bell pepper slices throughout the day. It's not as hard as you might think to get that boost of vitamin C in. And don't forget, if you're finding it difficult to get enough vitamin C through food alone, there are plenty of high-quality supplements available that can give you that extra boost. But before you start adding anything new to your routine, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or nutritionist to make sure it's the right choice for you. To sum it up, vitamin C isn't just a simple immunity booster. It's a powerful antioxidant that works on multiple fronts to help you manage arthritis. From supporting collagen production to reducing inflammation and protecting your joints from oxidative damage, vitamin C is like a shield for your body's connective tissues. So, whether you're adding more vitamin C-rich foods to your diet or considering a supplement, know that this simple nutrient can make a big difference in how you feel. Remember, your journey to better joint health doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all it takes is a few small changes, and vitamin C is an excellent place to start. Keep taking care of your body and know that every small step you take is one step closer to feeling better. Number 2. Vitamin E, the anti-inflammatory warrior. Now that we've covered the amazing benefits of vitamin C, let's move on to another antioxidant that works wonders for arthritis. Vitamin E. If you've been around the health and wellness world for a while, you may have heard of vitamin E as a popular skincare ingredient. But did you know it's also a powerful ally when it comes to reducing inflammation and protecting your joints? Yes, vitamin E is much more than just a beauty secret. It's a total game changer for those suffering from arthritis. So, what makes vitamin E such a vital nutrient for arthritis patients? Let's dive in. First off, vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it dissolves in fat and gets absorbed by your body in a different way than water-soluble. Vitamins, like vitamin C. This unique property allows vitamin E to work efficiently in the fat tissues of your body, including your cell membranes. This is important because your joints, muscles, and connective tissues are made up of fat cells, and vitamin E helps protect those cells from damage. Now, arthritis is an inflammatory condition, which means your immune system is constantly working overtime to fight off what it perceives as invaders, causing unnecessary inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your joints, leading to swelling, stiffness, and pain. This is where vitamin E truly shines. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the swelling and discomfort associated with arthritis. Think of it like a protective barrier that calms down the inflammation in your joints and helps reduce the pain you feel day to day. But how exactly does vitamin E help with inflammation? Well, it works by neutralizing harmful free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage your cells and contribute to oxidative stress. Free radicals can cause chronic inflammation in the body, leading to tissue damage and exacerbating arthritis symptoms. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin E helps to reduce oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage, which in turn helps your joints stay healthier and more mobile. If you're wondering how effective vitamin E is, let me tell you, research supports its benefits for arthritis sufferers. Studies have shown that vitamin E supplementation can significantly reduce joint pain and stiffness in individuals with osteoarthritis, especially when combined with other antioxidants like vitamin C. It's like creating a team of antioxidants that work together to protect and heal your joints. But, as with vitamin C, the beauty of vitamin E is that you don't have to rely solely on supplements to experience its benefits. There are plenty of delicious, natural food sources of vitamin E that you can add to your diet. Let's talk about some of those now. One of the best sources of vitamin E is almonds. Just a handful of almonds can give you a nice dose of this anti-inflammatory antioxidant. Plus, they're full of healthy fats, which also help with the absorption of vitamin E. So, whether you're snacking on a handful of almonds or adding them to your morning oatmeal, you're giving your body a natural, nutrient-packed boost. Another great source of vitamin E is sunflower seeds. These little guys are not only rich in vitamin E, but they're also high in healthy fats and protein. You can sprinkle them on top of salads, add them to smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack throughout the day. Another delicious option is avocados. Not only are they packed with vitamin E, but they're also full of heart-healthy fats that benefit your joints and overall health. If you're a fan of leafy greens, then you're in luck. Spinach is another fantastic source of vitamin E. Whether you're tossing it into a salad or adding it to a smoothie, it's a great way to nourish your body with anti-inflammatory nutrients. And let's not forget about olive oil, the staple of Mediterranean diets. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, and its anti-inflammatory properties make it a perfect addition to your meals. Drizzle it over your salads or use it for cooking. Your joints will thank you for it. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how much vitamin E do I need to get these benefits? It's a great question. For adults, the recommended daily intake of vitamin E is around 15 milligrams, or about 22.5 IU, but this can vary depending on your age and individual health needs. Most people can get this amount through a balanced diet with foods rich in vitamin E, but if you feel like you're not getting enough, you can always consider supplements. Just be sure to consult your doctor before adding anything new to your routine. But here's something to keep in mind. While vitamin E is important, you don't want to overdo it. Excessive amounts of vitamin E can interfere with blood clotting, so it's always best to stick with the recommended amounts and rely on whole foods as your primary source. The takeaway here is simple. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help manage inflammation, reduce joint pain, and protect your cells from oxidative stress. If you're dealing with arthritis, adding more vitamin E-rich foods to your diet can help you feel better and support your joints in the long run. Whether it's almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, or a drizzle of olive oil, there are so many easy, delicious ways to incorporate vitamin E into your daily meals. Just like with vitamin C, consistency is key. Make vitamin E a regular part of your diet, and you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to fight inflammation, protect your joints, and help you feel more comfortable every day. Number 3. Curcumin, turmeric, the ancient anti-inflammatory. Alright, now let's dive into something that's been around for centuries. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. This powerful antioxidant has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, for its ability to reduce inflammation and promote overall health. And in recent years, it's gained significant attention for its potential to help with arthritis pain and inflammation. So what exactly makes curcumin so effective when it comes to arthritis? Well, first off, curcumin is an incredible anti-inflammatory agent. In fact, research has shown that it can be just as effective as certain non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, for reducing inflammation, without the side effects. Curcumin works by blocking the activity of various inflammatory molecules in the body, particularly something called NF-κB, which is a protein complex that controls inflammation. By inhibiting this pathway, curcumin can help reduce the pain and swelling associated with arthritis. But here's where things get interesting. Curcumin doesn't just fight inflammation. It also helps protect your joints from further damage. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin has antioxidant capabilities, which means it helps neutralize free radicals in the body. These free radicals contribute to oxidative stress, which can damage your cells, tissues, and cartilage, all of which can make arthritis symptoms worse. By protecting your body from oxidative stress, curcumin helps preserve joint health and prevents further deterioration. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get the benefits of curcumin? Well, turmeric is the obvious answer. It's the golden yellow spice that gives curry its distinctive color and flavor. But here's the catch. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. So, to maximize its effectiveness, you want to pair turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. That's right, just a pinch of black pepper can help turbocharge the benefits of turmeric, making it even more effective for managing arthritis symptoms. You can easily incorporate turmeric into your daily routine by adding it to soups, stews, smoothies, or even golden milk, a popular drink made with turmeric, milk, or a dairy-free alternative, and a little honey. If you're looking for a concentrated dose, you can also take curcumin supplements. Just be sure to choose a high-quality supplement that includes black pepper extract for better absorption. But don't just take my word for it. The science backs it up. Numerous studies have shown that curcumin supplementation can significantly reduce pain and improve joint function in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In fact, some studies suggest that curcumin can be as effective as traditional painkillers, but without the risk of side effects like stomach ulcers or liver damage. That's pretty incredible, right? One of the best things about curcumin is that it's not just for managing pain and inflammation. It also offers long-term joint protection. By reducing oxidative stress and inhibiting inflammatory pathways, curcumin helps preserve the integrity of your cartilage, preventing further joint damage. This makes it an excellent addition to your arthritis management plan, not just for relief today, but for protecting your joints in the future. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I'm not sure how to add turmeric to my diet, don't worry. There are tons of simple ways to make turmeric a regular part of your meals. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, mix it into soups or stir-fries, or even add it to your morning smoothie for an anti-inflammatory boost. And of course, don't forget about the classic golden milk. It's warm, comforting, and packed with all the benefits of turmeric. If you're really not a fan of the taste of turmeric, supplements are a great option. Just make sure to choose a high-quality supplement that includes black pepper for maximum absorption. As always, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're already taking other medications. Incorporating curcumin into your daily routine can make a world of difference in managing arthritis symptoms. Whether you choose to enjoy it through food or supplements, this ancient antioxidant is a powerful ally in the fight against inflammation and pain. So give it a try and see how it can work for you. Summary. So to wrap things up, today we've covered the top 3 antioxidants that can make a real difference when it comes to managing arthritis. First, we talked about vitamin C, that powerful antioxidant that supports collagen production, helps protect your joints, and reduces inflammation. Next, we dove into vitamin E, which not only helps protect your cells from oxidative stress, but also works wonders for reducing joint pain and swelling. And last, but definitely not least, we discussed curcumin, the active compound in turmeric that has incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to help protect your joints and reduce pain. Incorporating these antioxidants into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to give your body the support it needs to manage arthritis symptoms and improve joint health. Remember, small changes can lead to big improvements, so why not start with these natural remedies today? I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more tips for managing arthritis naturally. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with these antioxidants. I'd love to hear from you. Take care of your joints, stay healthy, and remember, every step you take towards healing counts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.